Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Matic video update. And it's pretty ugly right now on the market right there. So I do think this is not a good time to buy Matic, and Matic is looking to basically drop towards this level due to a bear flag. So you've been going down like this, you broke out of the bear flag, and the next technical target you're looking for is 9029. Now that can offer a fantastic entry opportunity if it does come down to 9029, because that's going to be the retest of this last trend line that you lost actually. Okay, so you're looking for that trend line to be taken, but I highly doubt if it's a good idea because of one thing and one thing only. If you do come down there, there's something that I want to show you very quickly before I close the video, and that's going to be the following. Okay, so you actually got overextended, broke to the upside like this, and if you're coming down to 9065, which is this level, so you're going to see this thing coming down to this level right here, and that's actually going to print in a 3 black crows, and that means that you are going to continue with the downtrend to the downside as well. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Matic. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.